Hey, this is Dan with Danny Joe's Lock and Key here. I am working on a 99 Honda Accord and I found something pretty interesting. I will show you how to fix your 99 Honda Accord if it's not starting. Okay, so I'm going to switch on the ignition here and show you what it was doing. You see this little green light that was flashing, and how when I switch it on and that light turns off right away? What that is, that's the system saying, okay, I recognize the chip for this key. Well, the problem was that light wouldn't come on. It just stayed off the whole time. You could turn it on, off, and that light would just not do anything. And basically it would crank. That's all the engine would do. Now what causes that, apparently, in this situation at least, is this relay here. If I can find it. See, this here is a pgm-fi relay. It's also called a main relay. That has basically two relays that one controls your fuel, one controls your one of them controls your ECM. That's your control module for your engine. So basically this is what it would do. Turn it on, see no green light. Crank, 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 crank all day long. Not a dang thing gonna happen. Now, most of the time when the relay goes out, it goes out completely like a fuse. It's blown, it's shot, and it just doesn't do anything. Well, this was an intermittent problem. That's what was interesting. Now, apparently, when I did a little research on this, what it was telling me was that this problem here, see, now it's fixed. This problem here would happen on all these 99 Hondas because the way the relays were designed, the connections inside just were not very good. So if you tap on it with a screwdriver or something, it'll start almost every time. That relay goes all the way under here. It's really okay. Now we got some light. So there's your relay, and right there, this little plate right here is where it slides onto. That's basically, these little clips just slide right over it. And this piece is actually going up like that. So it's kind of tough to find, but hopefully that helps you, because, you know, I replaced the ignition switch and I replaced the antenna ring for the transponder, and none of that would help. And I was starting to scratch my head, and that's when I found that issue there. Anyhow, good luck with your Honda, and hopefully this helps.